Good evening, everybody. This is your Thursday version of the Posh premiere. Today it's a little overcast, so I started thinking about, vacation where it's nice and sunny and, we can show a little bit of skin. So that's what I'm going to focus on today. I got about 15 pieces, so I'm going to move pretty quickly. Again, these are pieces that are designed to make you think about spring and summer weather and possibly a vacation. Let's go. The first item I have is this little bodysuit. Now I know that bodysuits are getting pretty popular, I guess, so your stuff can stay tucked in. But this one has kind of like an animal print. It's a soft, silky fabric. This is a size extra small, but extra small, I think can fit in it because it's really a stretchy kind of fabric. And it comes in on the sleeves. Let me show you that. And this is the back of it. It's about the same as the front. So that's the first item. Next up is this little crop top. This too has stretch in it. This is a size small. It has a nice little detail on the side. It's a silky fabric. It looks the same in the back. It's by Zellos. And all of these items, of course, are available on my Poshmark closet. Next up is another body shirt. This one is just plain, so you can wear it under something if you want to. This one is obviously black. And this too was a really stretchy kind of fabric. It looks the same in the back. Well, not really the same because it has a little bit of pleating right here. This one is a size medium. Again, there's plenty of stretch in these. So you can use this to put under something or you can just wear it by itself. And again, it's a body shirt as well. Next up is a cold shoulder top. Now this is sort of a, this is not stretchy. This is kind of a, it's a cotton fabric. And of course you can see the cold shoulder right there. It has a different little pattern in the back. You can see that. It also has pockets in the front. So you can stash your sunglasses or whatever it is you need to put in there to hold on to. But this is cute. I like this. And it has kind of a high-low style because it's a little bit longer in the back. There's little splits on the side. See that? This one is a size medium and it's by Cynthia. Let me open that so you can really see the effect of it. So it has a cold shoulder look. Nice colors. You can wear it with denim or black or whatever you'd like. Next is this little frilly number. I call it that because if you look at the sleeves, it's kind of like a big ruffle. This is very lightweight. This is by Jones & Company. It's a size medium. It's cute flowers on there, nice light pattern. This is how the back looks. Once again, it's by Jones & Company, and this is a size medium. Next up is this blouse by Alfani. This blouse is cute. It has sort of a crossover happening right here. It has a different pattern at the bottom. This too is kind of a high-low style. This is a size 10. Oh, I should have pointed out the zipper. It has an exposed zipper at the back. This is a size 10 and it's by Alfani, available in my Poshmark closet. Next up is another kind of casual top. If you see, it has the little tie at the side, at the bottom of it. This is a kind of a stretchy fabric. Let me show you the back. This would look nice, I think, with some white slacks or white shorts. It has a little pocket right there. This one is by Naughty Bianchi, and this is a size large. Available in the Posh closet. Next up is a sleeveless kind of mock neck top. This is by Sweet Teas. It's a size small. This too is very, very stretchy. So it just has like a little mock neck on it. Let me show you the back. And it kind of swings out. It's a little swing out type top. Stretchy, size small by Sweet Teas. Oh, also, look, it has little splits on the side. Next up is this top by Mandarin Blue. And of course it has the little mandarin collar. This is like a linen fabric. It has a lot of detail to it. There's like elastic on the side. And look at the bottom of it. That follows through all the way to the back. Mandarin style neckline. This is a size large. Here's the back. And you saw the detail on the buttons in the front. Nice color too. Next up is this really frilly, another frilly type top. This is very sheer. This top is by Ralph Lauren. This is a size extra large. There's the sleeves. You probably wear like a little bralette under this or a tank top. Maybe that body shirt that I just showed you. Let me show you the back. And it also has, you know, you see the bow here and it has buttons down the front. Next up is a cover up. This is very cute. It has the drawstring waist, if you can see that. I would say it would come probably just above your knee. Here's the sleeves. Little trim at the bottom of the sleeves. Let me see what else I can show you. This is the back. And it's a black kind of, I don't know, I would say like a crochet look. This too is a size extra large. And this is by New Directions. I can see you with this on over your little string bikini. Available in the Posh closet. Next up, this is a top. I call it a crochet top, but guess what? I think this could be a cover-up as well. This is more of a navy color. I'll show you the scalloped sleeves. The back is the same. It's just a little higher than the front. And it has like scallop at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that good on the camera. But this item is by Grand and Green, and this is a size extra large. So it's a cover up or it's just a top, but it makes me think of vacation. Next up is this tunic top. Now, honestly, when I first saw it, I thought it was a romper, but it's not. It's just like a tunic top. And I think really you could probably wear this as a cover up as well. It's very sheer. It has a little pocket right there. A pocket right there with little buttons on them. And then it has this cute little belt with the little tassels at the end. And here's the back. This is by Jane and Delaney, and this item is a size large. Next up is this tank top. I'm calling it a tank top. I guess it's, yeah, that's what it is, a tank top. But it has a little bit of a design at the back. It's like a wooden ring that's on there. And then at the bottom, it has, it's elasticized. You can see that. There's a little string hanging, but I'll take care of that. And then I'm going to show you the back. So this is cute. This item is by No Boundaries, and it's a size extra large. Size extra large. Next up is this top by, let's see, who's this by? This is by Rafaela. It's a medium. This has a little bit of a gather at the front, little twist going on. This too is very, very stretchy. There's a little bit of detail on the sleeve, if you can see that. Here's the back. All right, so once again, this is by Rafaela. It has sort of a tropical floral print to it. This is a size medium, and it's available in the Posh closet. Next up is this jumpsuit. Now I can see this for maybe a night out when you're on vacation. It has kind of wide legs and it looks like sort of a snake print. There's elastic in the waist. The sleeves are like 3/4 sleeves, I would say. And then there's a tie at the back, at the top of the back. Let me get these sleeves up, the legs. So the legs are kind of wide legs, so that's a cute look. I can see these with some strappy sandals. This item is by Bebop, and it's a size extra large. This is available in the Posh closet. Next up is this shirt by Time and True. To me, this has kind of a vintage look because it has the fabric with the little like popcorn detail on it. I'm sure there's another name for that, but that's what I'm calling it. It has kind of a peplum look at the bottom. And of course, there's this cute embroidery that goes through the front with a little ruffle right there. It's a little string on there. So this is by Time and True. This is a size 16. Here's the back. It has a little button closure and a little keyhole back. By Time and True, it's a size 16, available in the Posh closet. And it does have a little bit of a lining to it, so it's not totally sheer. See that? That's what's underneath it. Time and True, size 16, available in the Posh closet. Then I have a pair of shorts, and they're not like, Daisy Dukes or anything. They have a little bit of length to them, but I would say they're gonna come above the knee. And they're a nice stretchy fabric. They have elastic in the waist, and they have this little drawstring with the silver at the end of it. And these are by Liz Claiborne, and they're a size medium. And also, another bonus, they have pockets. So Liz Claiborne, a pair of cool white shorts for you. You can put it with one of those blouses I've already shown, and I think it'll keep you pretty cool. Then I have these funky little tropical pants. I can see this with like a red tube top or something. The legs have a little split on them. Let me show you. See the little split at the bottom of the outer leg? These two are stretchy. They have a zipper on the side. That's where the zipper is. And then they're plain in the back. These are cute as well. These are a size 12, and they're by Bamboo Traders. Available in my Posh closet. Then I have these pants. These are kind of I'm going to call these palazzo pants. You see how wide the leg is? These have a zipper on the side as well. They're like a fuchsia pink color and white with a little design. They have a wide band. And let's see what else I can tell you about them. They're size 12, and they're by Raffaella Studio. I can see this with a nice cool white top. Keep thinking spring, y'all. Then, in the way of accessories, I have this little straw bag. Let me bring it closer so you can see it. It has a cute little design on the band, and it has this gold shoulder strap. Now, as you can see, there's a little tab right here where you can take this off if you want to and just carry it as a clutch. But it has a snap closure. And it's just one big compartment in there. So there's no side pockets or anything. But I think this would complement your spring outfit as well. I'll let you see the closure a little closer. And again, and look at the side. So it has a nice little faux leather attachment. And again, you can take that strap off if you want to and just carry it as a clutch. So I hope I got you all thinking about spring weather and vacation and all that kind of stuff. Before I let you go, I just want to remind you that right now I have a special going on Poshmark. So if you go to my closet, you'll see a bright pink banner, and I think I posted this in the group as well. But right now, everything is buy one, get one free. I am trying to purge because I have way too much stuff. And so if you'll go there, you'll see it's buy one, get one free. So what you do is you bundle two things, let's say. So the higher price item is the one you'll pay for, and the second item is the one that you'll get for free. This is a good deal, y'all. You need to get in on it. And I just want to say thank you for your attention tonight. I hope I've got you thinking about spring and vacation and all that. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Good night.